Tréis tataníir úntach yn ag farnaríocht an tatan scate chuig ar fach gan amiot yn y gorsan Tyrone sa Lidl. Tréis ardw cem yn norig ffo Tyrone dacar e gwyng y farnami am out a hen. Connys mar fach co gwyng y gorsan. Ma darmat anacha a hamon trotruchta.
Ar bachan trohags da. Ystig dova akka. Conal Chelva. Lucia Jason Johannes, shot chance to score. Emily Drews and turn thrust on. Kate scored on Fornia Coram. Chancenish egg. Tyrone have to drop. Close to the draw. Should the Chloe McCaffrey in the kid tug. Gadas or a thrust on. Kate score on the Mertz. Carachuli Nakanish. Close on Wahan shot. On Wahan Gabriel Trasta. Costa Gajasin can sponsor Crowhogs. But oh, Niamh Real. Shannon scoring. Niamh Real. Go can he. Galen is spotting Niamh. Wahan Chachter reached. If McCoy. Gentle Gajasin. Mich now critical to score. Niamh Real will in trio can spotting Niamh. Togo Devon. So she'd Coram than trio Ur. Or Wacha Chatterish, Lucia to on Wahan shot. As it should kick out to Emily Drews, as they kick out to Gadaseka. I broke Gadaseka. Should have hold cool, General Mach. Chance for cool and shot. No, much it's not. Cantion, Bull out of thrust on score reach. Niamh Real. Goes to Towers, I think a good borrow. Or Towers, good job. Emily Drews are heard a cool and chop. Chelle Foss, I got Wacha, my shit sauce in the school in. Maeve Lennon, Bultic Maeve, and Bultic Daseke. Action gentle slot through the shot, I got Wacha.